We have the first official hands-on video of the Galaxy Z Fold 7. And it's not just any leak, it compares the Fold 7 directly with the Fold Special Edition and Fold 6. Samsung's upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 7 has surfaced in a new video featuring a real-world comparison between a dummy unit and the Fold 6 and Fold Special Edition. This early look highlights key design shifts we should definitely pay attention to. Korean YouTube channel The Sinza has released a comparison video showing the dummy unit of the Galaxy Z Fold 7 placed next to the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Fold Special Edition. The video reveals interesting insights into changes in build and proportions. According to the video, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 might come in at 215 grams. That's significantly lighter than the Fold Special Edition, which weighs about 236 grams. There are also noticeable changes in thickness when folded and unfolded. Even though it's a dummy model, its measurements and layout closely match what Samsung is likely to ship with the final version. This makes the early hands-on especially useful for evaluating design improvements. From the front view, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 looks quite similar to the Fold Special Edition. However, the slimmer profile makes it feel more premium while still holding on to Samsung's known durability. Samsung is expected to officially announce the Galaxy Z Fold 7 on July 9 in the US. Invitations for the Unpacked event might roll out soon, with the in-person launch likely in New York and a live stream for global fans. Specs may include a 6.5-inch outer screen, an 8-inch inner display, 3.9mm unfolded thickness, a 200-megapixel main sensor, and a Snapdragon 8 Elite chip. Are you excited for the Galaxy Z Fold 7? Let me know in the comment section. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comment section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.